how to turn on and off sounds on Instagram stories. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to select a story on the upper part of our Instagram feed. Let's say this right here. Now, it doesn't have any sound onto it, and we can't really hear it clearly. It has been muted by our phone. So what we need to do is to click on our volume button on the side of our phone like this. And as you can see on this corner right here, you'll be able to see that it's now with sound. Now, if we want to mute it, all we have to do is to click the volume button down, and now it has been muted by your phone. You can also view other stories that has sound and just click on the volume button up so that you will be able to hear the sound on Instagram stories. So that's how to turn on and off sounds on Instagram stories.